change the rear gearcase fluid on your Sportsman high lifter, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids, as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Place the vehicle in park and set the parking brake. If desired, removing the rear skid plate can aid in residual fluid buildup. Place a drain pan underneath the rear gearcase drain plug. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Before removing, clean the area around the fill plug. Then, remove the rear gearcase fill plug and set aside. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Then remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the gearcase through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the gearcase fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. If previously removed, reinstall the rear skid plate. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.